In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter cards in Trello. If you're managing tasks or projects in Trello, you know how quickly your boards can fill up with cards. Filtering cards is a powerful way to cut through the clutter and focus on the information that matters most. Whether you're tracking deadlines, following up on team assignments, or simply organizing your workflow, these steps will help you customize your view and stay on top of your tasks. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your browser and go to Trello.com. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner of your screen and click Login. This will take you to the sign-in page. From here, enter your email and password to log into your account. If you prefer, you can also use a single sign-on option, like logging in with your Google or Microsoft account. Before entering any credentials, always double-check that you're on the official Trello site. This step ensures your account security and helps protect your data. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello dashboard. Now, take a moment to locate the board you want to work with. On your dashboard, you'll see all the boards associated with your account. Click on the one that contains the cards you want to filter. Once your board is open, look to the top right area of the board screen. Here, you'll find the filter icon. Click on the filter icon, and a filter panel will slide open. This is where the magic happens. In the filter panel, you'll see a variety of options to customize your view. Start by selecting your filtering criteria. You can do this by checking or unchecking the available options. One great way to focus your view is by filtering cards based on members. If you want to see tasks assigned to specific people, simply select their names in the filter panel. This is especially useful for team projects where different members are responsible for different tasks. Another option is to filter by card status. This allows you to focus on items based on their current state, like cards that are in progress, completed, or still in the to-do list. If deadlines are your priority, you can filter by due date. This option lets you view overdue tasks, items due today, or cards with upcoming deadlines, so you can stay on top of your schedule. For even more precision, you can combine multiple filters. For example, you might want to see cards assigned to a specific team member that are also overdue. By applying multiple filters, you can create a tailored view that matches your exact needs. When you're finished with filtering and want to return to the full board view, simply uncheck the filters you've selected or close the filter panel. This will bring back all cards on your board, giving you the full picture again. And that's it. With these steps, you now know how to filter cards in Trello like a pro. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.